Hello everyone, my name is Chingiz. This is complete Arduino course for beginners. In this lecture, I will give you answer for 3 questions. What will you learn in this course? What are the prerequisites for the course? And who am I? Shortly about me, I have a bachelor degree in computer systems and software. I'm certified Lego teacher. I have experience in face-to-face teaching robotics for school students based on Lego kits. I have experience in development in robotics and Internet of Things. In my free time, I do some home projects based on Arduino or other microcontrollers. I love to share my experience and have written many articles regarding some best practices and some of my projects. Due to my expertise, I have been invited as a judge and have judged many worldwide hackathons. What will you learn in this course? Short answer is you will learn everything about the Arduino. You will get what is Arduino and what can be made with it, what is LED and how it can be controlled by Arduino, how to detect if button is pressed, what is potentiometer and how it can be used, what is buzzer and how to play melody on it. You will learn how to display anything you want on 1 and 4-digit 7-segment display on LCD and OLED screen. You will learn about sensors, how they can be connected to the Arduino and how to get data from them. For example, light sensor, distance sensor, thermometer, and so on. You will learn about motors, what are the difference between them, and how they can be connected to the Arduino and how they can be controlled. There will be some advanced themes like joystick, IR remote and receiver, and Wi-Fi module. What are the prerequisites for the course? You need to know the basics of the programming in any programming language, because we will not learn what is variable or if statement, but we'll learn how it works for Arduino. Obviously, you need to have a PC and internet connection. And the next most important question, should you buy the Arduino kit? About 80% of the course you will be able to pass in Arduino online simulator. The simulator can be a good start for you to get if you are really interested in Arduino and decide should you buy the Arduino kit.